Just a beautiful, stunning 2020 Ford F-150 King Ranch Covert Edition. Wide Willies at Akins. Clean and simple, gets the job done, improves the overall looks and handling, ride quality, confidence in your next F-150. King Ranch, Star White over Stone Gray. Love the two-tone. We did a ReadyLIFT 2¼ inch level kit. Our most popular 295 60/20 Nitto Grappler tires on the factory 20-inch King Ranch. There's our level kit. We got rear wheel well liners from Husky. Really clean those lines up, especially on a white truck. You see that gaudy, unfinished look underneath there. Don't like that, but with a level kit on the Covert, wheel well liner, tire upgrade, this is a banging truck. Greatly improves an already stunning truck. All your creature comforts you can imagine. Great pricing in Akins. Covert package as well from Willies. This is it. Right at a 34-inch tall tire, almost 12 wide, looking great. Willies at Akins.